Hey, we picked up this Paw Patrol. This is called sponge fish. For practice on casting, you put these in water and they come up into a fish. We'll show you how to do it. Alright, well here they are. There's 4 of these little fish in the plastic thing here. We're going to open these up to show you how to use them. Now, we don't have the fishing poles like they use to put these on for the little kids, but we'll show you how they work anyway when you put them on a pole. Okay. Okay. There's you guys, a little fish in here. This goes on your fishing line right here. I don't have a fishing line, so we're just going to use some string here. Show you how it works. Put your string through there. Tie you a little knot in it. It's like you would on your fishing line. Okay? So they don't come off. Alright, there you go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open your thing right here, put your fish on it. Show you how. Open this. Right there, okay? Now you're going to cast that out in the water and see what kind of fish you catch. We'll show you what happens in the water. It says there's a bluegill, a crappie, a bass, and a trout. Let me show you the type of fish right there, okay? So we'll get some water out here and show you how it works. All right, we have a little fish tank set up here, full of water. We've got our line here with our first little fish on it. And we'll drop him down in the water and we'll see what kind of fish he gets. All right, let's see what we can do here. You ready? Here we go. Look at there. A yellow one. That looks like a catfish maybe? Or a trout. Looks like a trout. As you can see, there he is. So there's your first one. So what we're going to do now is take this little guy off. Set him right over here and we'll try another one. Remember how you hook it on right there. There we go. He's hooked on. Now let's put him down in the water and see what he does, okay? The paper goes away eventually. There he goes. That's a little yellow one, so that is probably, let's see if we can see what he is. We're looking at the paperwork here. That looks like maybe a bass. Okay. Get all the paper off of it. Yeah, I think that's a bass, okay? So let's take him off now. And we'll try the third one. Once again, connect him right in there like this. All right, he's ready to go now. We'll put him down, get the camera ready. We'll drop him in. Ding! The paper just tends to dissolve and go away. And the fish, woo, look at there. What is he? That one is Well, it's kind of hard to say, but I think that is going to be a trout. What it kind of looks like. Hard to tell by the pictures what they are, but if I catch the fish, I can tell you what it is. Let's do our last one here. Oh, these are not easy to get in there. There, well. Okay, there we go. Let's do our last one here. Get the string up out of the way. Okay. Ready, go! Drop him in. See the paper dissolving and the fish beginning to enlarge. Look at that. There he is. Get the paper off of him there. Not real sure what he is, but that may be the trout. Okay, let's see if we can get them laid out here and see what we got. There's our 4 fish right there, okay? I think that one is the trout, looking at the paperwork here. That one is the bluegill. This one is, now this one's a trout, okay? This one must be the bass, okay? And this one has to be the only one left, which is the crappie. Anyway, there's your 4 fish, okay? Well, that's how you do it. You just drop them in the water, the paperwork all dissolves, and they become a fish. You kids reel the fish in and say, look what I caught. There are 4 of the little pups here. Looks like Rubble, Chase, Skye, and Marshall, I think they are. I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. You got a lot more of these. Go check out the playlist. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. Also, check out the description below. I have links to Amazon where you can find a lot of these. Okay? Thanks for watching and see you next time.